Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial for spider soap from Pasadena Public Library. If you picked up a Take and Make kit, you should have received 3 small plastic spiders and a tube of vanilla essential oil that has been pre-mixed with soap dye. The colors will vary from kit to kit, but today our dye is orange. Then you'll have a small cup of Vaseline that is for coating your soap mold, which is really nice and squishy so that your soap will be easy to pop out later. And finally, you'll have about 3 cubes of glycerin soap in a sandwich bag. You can buy most of these items at your local craft store if you did not pick up a kit or want to recreate this craft. You'll also need a microwavable bowl or a cup and a spoon for stirring. So first, you're going to take your cup of Vaseline and dab just a tiny bit on the tip of your finger and rub it all over the inside of your mold. Once that is done, set your mold aside and place your soap cubes into the microwavable cup. We're going to heat these up in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds until the soap has completely melted. Then you'll take your tube of essential oil and give it a good shake so the soap dye that has separated from the oil mixes back up. Go ahead and pour the entire tube of oil into your cup of melted soap and then stir it in until it is all the same color. Pick up your soap mold and make sure it is sitting on a flat surface. You'll pour your soap until the mold is halfway full. Place as many spiders as you'd like on top. You'll notice they float a little bit, which is why we'll pour the rest of our soap in after we've placed them in the mold. You can use your spoon to separate the spiders into the placement you want, but don't worry about this too much because you want your soap to stay hot. Pour the rest of the melted soap into the mold until it is almost to the top. Now you can take your spoon and readjust the spiders or push any soap bubbles to the side. Now you'll place your soap into the fridge or in a cool place for 2 to 3 hours to let your soap harden completely. When that's done, it should be really easy to pop out of the mold if you use the Vaseline. And that's it! You should be ready to use your bar of spider soap.